Hello everyone, and welcome to my Fashion and Beauty Tips channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. From castor oil to Luxe serums, these oils and serums can help transform sparse brows into bold, beautiful statements. Thinning eyebrows can often be revitalized with consistent, continued care and the utilization of the appropriate products. Natural oils will nourish and condition hair while protecting the hair from external aggressors. Specialized serums will have the proper blend of ingredients, sometimes peptides, biotin, or prostaglandin analogs, which should theoretically stimulate hair follicles to potentially encourage fuller eyebrows over time. Expect results in 4 to 12 weeks. Continued and consistent use is the only way to maintain the eventual results. 1. Castor oil. Castor oil is one of the more common household remedies for sparse eyebrows because of its rich ricinoleic acid and vitamin E content. These compounds condition and nourish hair follicles, prevent damage and breakage, and may promote regrowth by stimulating local circulation because it penetrates so deeply. There is limited literature addressing its effectiveness in relation to hair regrowth, but most dermatologists agree that the ultimate fatty acid profile is what makes castor oil an effective conditioning oil. How to use. 1 drop on each brow at night. Gently massage into hair for 1 to 2 minutes. Remove with mild cleanser in the morning. 2. Coconut oil. Packed with lauric acid and antioxidants, coconut oil helps protect hair proteins and reduces the damage from styling products and environmental stresses. It's light enough for nightly use and keeps brow hairs soft and healthy. While it doesn't overly encourage follicle growth, it helps prevent thinning over time. How to use. Warm a drop between your fingers. Apply evenly over brows before bed. Wash off in the morning. 3. Argan oil. Often referred to as liquid gold, argan oil is rich in omega-9 fatty acids and vitamin E, which helps strengthen and nourish eyebrow hair. Its light, quick-absorbing texture makes it useful for daytime without feeling heavy, and it can easily be worn under opposing makeup. Some research indicates the antioxidant properties of argan oil help protect follicles and reduce oxidative stress, which may help slow hair loss. How to use. Dab a drop on brows in the morning or after your evening facial routine. Comb with a spoolie to give even coverage on all hairs. It can be used daily and doesn't weigh brows down. 4. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil may be beneficial for promoting hair growth according to some limited studies by stimulating blood flow to hair follicles. Rosemary oil also has some antimicrobial effects which helps to keep the skin under the brows in good condition. Rosemary oil is strong, so it's a good idea to use a carrier oil such as jojoba oil or coconut oil to avoid irritation or sensitivity. How to use. Mix 1 to 2 drops of pure rosemary oil with half a teaspoon of carrier oil. Apply this mixture to brows 3 to 4 times a week. Avoid oil contact with the eyes. 5. Almond oil. Almond oil contains high concentrations of magnesium, vitamin E, and a good amount of fatty acids to nourish your brow hair and keep it shiny. Almond oil is great for those who have dry, flaky skin under their brows. Regular use of almond oil will also minimize hair breakage and help maintain a healthy condition. How to use. Apply a small amount of almond oil on brows nightly. Gently massage the area. This will help with circulation. Almond oil is also a good option for those with dry and sensitive skin. 6. Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can repair damaged hair follicles and provide a healthy environment for hair to grow. Vitamin E oil also helps to seal in moisture to keep hair from getting brittle. Vitamin E can be applied throughout the day in either pure lotion oil and products containing vitamin E. How to use. Puncture the cap of 1 vitamin E capsule and apply to brows. Massage in for 1 minute. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. 7. Peptide brow serum. Peptides are short chains of amino acids that signal the skin and follicles to produce more keratin and collagen. Clinical studies have shown that, after 8-12 weeks, with some peptides, hair thickness and density of hair can improve. Many peptide serums are also paired with hydrators like hyaluronic acid. How to use. Apply serum 2 times a day after cleansing. Use the built-in applicator for precision. Avoid washing brows for at least 2 hours following application. 8. Biotin brow serum. Biotin, vitamin B7, supports keratin production, which is necessary for hair strength and growth. While oral biotin supplements are often well received, topical forms of biotin serums feed brows directly. Generally, topical biotin sera are supplemented with oils and panthenol, which are conditioning agents. How to use. Apply once or twice a day to clean brows. Use gentle, upward strokes with the applicator. Allow sufficient time to absorb before applying makeup. 9. Prostaglandin-based brow serum. Medical-grade serums of this type contain prostaglandin analogs, which have the capability of elongating the hair growth phase. Originally developed for eyelashes, prostaglandin lashes can work on brows as well. The results can be dramatic, but will take time and continuous use. Some patients report results visible as soon as 30 days or only 6 to 8 weeks. New hair growth will be visible at the end of the topical dosing, 12 weeks. The greatest caveat? Persistent unwanted side effects are well known: skin darkening and iris color change. Before starting or committing, have a full conversation with your dermatologist. How to use. Apply nightly under the supervision of a medical professional. Use the very least amount you can. Discontinue immediately upon irritation, and contact your medical professional if symptoms persist. 10. Multi-ingredient botanical blend serum. These contain multiple natural extracts, such as castor oil, green tea, ginseng, and saw palmetto, while providing active ingredients like vitamins, peptides. This provides a multifaceted approach to conditioning, strengthening, and stimulating the follicle at the same time. How to use. Use twice per day for a minimum of 8 weeks. Read the label instructions to get the best outcome. Store in a cool, dry place to protect active ingredients. So what do you guys think about this update? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like my videos, please press like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.